Hey guys, what's up? So tuition top is Jailbreak, 5, 7, 12, 13 up to 13.7. The first is called Jailbreak Evolution, successor Jailbreak Pro. Basically, with this tweak, awesome thing that is not now, you can call it from anywhere in Springboard, lock screen, and app. So these features are here. Long pressing buttons to get explanation, Wi-Fi IP monitor, fast respring, normal respring, LD restart, enter in safe mode, backdoor safe modes, active when it's green, clean caching spring, now fast, deep, clear, GPS control, Bluetooth control, Wi-Fi control, CPU RAM monitor, close all apps, close background, suggestions button in the about section, Jailbreak Evolution on top. So, backdoor option gives you basically an opportunity to go to safe mode when the touch screen won't respond. You can try the switch on 4 times. Hardware, silent buttons, every device. So it's like a cool, just in case like your device freezes, you don't want to restart, you lose your jailbreak. This feature could probably save you. And you have a bunch of other options too. This is called Fits Reddit's alphabet bar. It fixes the bug preventing dragging on the alphabet bar of the official Reddit app. This is called Tenmetsu. Additional options for your flashlight. So additional options for your flashlight. Give you these settings up here. This is called libdonos. And shared utility for my tweets. This tweet has a theme called Emerald, Stats, Bar, Pills, Notification Demo. One of the tweets I actually have installed, I use on a daily basis, called Etsline. It's basically a Checkra1n alternative, so basically you have like multiple app logins and multiple accounts for different apps and games. Between this and Slices 3, perfect. The only thing is that I don't think Slices 3 supports iOS 14, but this was just updated to support iOS 14. This is called Corey Sim, and basically get rid of the no SIM card alerts and more. So here we go. Corey Sim is my new tweet. It gives you the opportunity to get totally rid of the annoying no SIM install alerts and more. Gives you the option to disable the no SIM card alerts everywhere and change the advice from no SIM to no service on the status bar. So pretty cool. This is called Desktop SMS Background. You set desktop and SMS background on iPhone settings without link to board. This is called 361 Multi-Account Master. You can have multiple accounts for your different apps and games. This is called Fake GPS Pro. Change your location as you wish. It does support iOS 5.1.1 up to iOS 14.2. So you can change your GPS location with this tweak. And this is called Kernel Bypass, and it's Jailbreak Bypass Detection. It's on a kernel exploit, so it should work with a lot of apps and games. Not all of them, obviously, but yeah, pretty cool. It supports iOS 12 to 14.1. This is called Force in Picture. Basically, programmably enables picture-in-picture feature on unsupported devices. This is called Flow, revolutionary modern new look for music players, inspired by covered flow. So, what it looks like. This is called Essential Utilities, iOS 11 to 13 is also another one for Essential Utilities for iOS 6 to 10, and a preference bundle with essential commands. This is called Adson, Priority Hub for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. This is called Fake Location. There's also Fake Location Pro, version 2.7, and featured location easy with this app. This is called Jellyfish, and modernize your lock screen. This is called UPIP, enables picture-in-picture in the native the YouTube app. So, experimental support for YouTube version 15.47. This is called Playing, get a notification when a new song starts. This is called What to Do 2 for WhatsApp, and all-in-one tweak for the WhatsApp Messenger. So it makes WhatsApp app easier and simple to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs, and these are some of the features. You guys can read it for yourself. It supports iOS 8 up to 13. This is called What to Do Tools, library for What to Do and WhatsApp tweets. This is called Lock Widgets, access your favorite widgets directly from your lock screen. This is called Volume Mixer. Powered with iOS 10.3 to 14, volume control for individual apps. This is called Dodo Plus, notifications, your style. So, your notification badges are replaced with minimalistic, intrusive little dots, customize your dots. So yeah, pretty cool. It does have iOS 14 support. This is called Loon, let a moon icon appear when Do Not Disturb is on. This is called Message Message Swap, a more accessible way to send photos in iMessage. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys next one. It does support iOS 12.0 to 13.7, but yeah, peace.